Hello Life Adventures, welcome to another week in Delaware. So today we've come to Fenwick Island to see the sunset, and there's quite a few people here, but we got ourselves a picnic table.
Yep.
I think tonight is going to be a good sunset. What do you think?
Yeah, it's a lot of people, so it's probably a good spot.
There are a lot of people this way. But it should be nice. We have a good view of the bay, so I hope it stays nice. And there's no clouds, even though a storm is coming. Today we're at James Farm Ecological Preserve. It's a nice park that is free for public use, and they have a pathway that goes down to beach access, so we're going to take that. After a quick little walk, you come to this nice beach where you get a beautiful view of the bridge, and there's also a lot of dogs at this park, so that makes it great. This place was pretty cool. We were able to see an osprey nest, we saw some horseshoe crabs, and a lot of fish. But now we're going to go ahead to another place. We made it to our next stop, which is Holt's Landing. Here we're by the fishing pier, but they also have some trails that we're going to take, and we might hang out by the beach for a little bit. Made it on our hike. I would say if you come here, douse yourself in bug spray because there are so many bugs. I was actually using like a stick to ward them off. But what'd you think, Eric?
That was a good hike. I thought we were going to get to a beach, but we didn't. But it's okay.
It was still nice though.
Yeah, it was nice.
And this little plank that we're on right now is really nice. You can see a bunch of crabs off the sides when you look off the sides, and there were some birds earlier. So today we're at the Fisherman's Wharf, and we are going to go on a whale and dolphin watch boat. So our boat is pulling in just right now, and we're really excited, hoping we'll see some good things. And now we're getting ready to leave once we wait for some paddleboarders to get out of our way. a bunch of dolphins so far. We saw a bunch of pods just now, and hopefully we'll see some wins. So we just got done with our little boat trip we went on. It was pretty good. We saw a bunch of dolphins. I want to say like about 80 they estimate, but we didn't see any whales, right Eric?
Sad.
Very sad. But it was still a good day, and there was a lot of sun on the boat, good weather, and the waves were short. So I definitely recommend the Fisherman's Wharf in Lewes if you're thinking about doing dolphin or whale boat. They also have fishing trips you can book, so if that's something you want to look into.
Pretty inexpensive one.
And they're not that expensive, as Eric was saying. But if that's something you want to look into, I'll leave the link below in this video so you can get to that. Now we're going to go to dinner. We found a place in Rehoboth that actually has plant-based options, so I'm super excited. It's called Seed or something.
Seed Eatery.
Seed Eatery. So we're heading over there now. So we tried to come out to New Road again for sunset like we tried to last week, but last week it was cloudy, so we didn't really get a good sunset, and this week it's cloudy.
There's no sun.
So we're hoping the little bit of clear skies that are over that way will come back this way and we'll get a decent sunset. But if not, we'll just have a good time on the beach. If you can see just how many birds there are, but there are lots. Here, look.